We're there with just facts and we're there only for spit. Just the facts, you see me, people?
Sweet music. One side, you know? No thing.
So Masicka go conscious and release King in the Earth, viewers and subscribers. And that one, yeah, it really a kick. You have to go hear it for yourself. You hear me, I say? Yeah. I don't know why I'm going to the bounty voice, but it bad still, people. Pray it.
You have to feel it, you have to know it. You have to understand. Get me?
Yeah, so as you hear it, you know it's a motivational song, this people. It's a motivation song for motivate the youth them and make them know say you have to believe in yourself. That's why in the intro you hear Masicka say you have to believe in yourself, you have to know it. You have to first feel like a king for be a king. You see me? So Masicka remind the youth them say, yo, when you're great, remember Jamili say greatest man get the hardest fight, I same thing Masicka say. When you're great, them try to fling you in the dirt, just try fling you in a corner. You see me? And try whoops everybody forget about you. But viewers and subscribers, from greatness running in your blood like Masicka, you have to prevail. So that's what Masicka saying in the song. And him also mentioned that through him sweat and sweat in him shirt. Him basically I say people not see the hard work where him put in forget to the point where him there. A lot of things Masicka share in that song, yeah.
Me did not say, man a king in a earth. Yo, me never drop the girl, the whole city alert.
So basically Masicka say him did know from birth, say him a king in the earth. Him know in himself, him confident in himself. Say him a go reach him highest point and be the man where him supposed to be. Masicka also said the girls them a flirt with him from a long time before the millions even appear, before it even did so him just so confident in himself that that did work for him, you see me?
Yeah, life is a mystery, you just be brave. Fuck them history, we are not slave. We are short freedom for the kingdom, not the cage.
Yeah, so right now Masicka say him no business about history, Cause history talk about slave and slave master and all them thing there. Him no business about that, cause him know say man no slave. And to me, yeah, so people come in like a big up Vybz Kartel, yeah, so because Masicka say him a defend freedom, him a look and him a shout out for freedom for the king in the cage. Who are the king in the cage? More on to the comment below, people. Who are the king in the cage? Tell me if I'm wrong. And most Vybz Kartel him attack people. You see me? Yeah, and him also say the sister in them for turn a better page. So you don't know it's a song, so it have to put together neatly. But it's a big up to Vybz Kartel this for me.
Yeah, me know poverty, make we full of rage, but we have to wise up and take his stage.
So yeah, some Masicka say him know about the struggles and him know about poverty and him know how it put we in a rage sometime. Make people get cross, angry, miserable like bounty. You see me? But Masicka talk about him own experience when him did say him have to take it to the stage. You see me? Instead of being a youth where I walk up and down with 12 gauge. And I know him play upon the word 12 by saying 12-year-old I walk with the 12 gauge. You see me? So far about the song it a show you Masicka experience as we say. And also it a show you motivation for the youth them as we say people. It a tell them say them now have to follow a certain path. If them just believe in themselves, them can be a king. So basically
we confident we go ever but me sister race. Watch them all lock up the money for sell great.
Right now Masicka say him notice say you have to dead for go to heaven though. But hell come in like it a race on earth yeah. Cause things get tougher, things a get harder sometimes, you see me I say? Yeah, so that him a point out. And Masicka prove him point by saying look on simple things like them a lock up man for sell grades. You see me? Something when natural and come from the earth. But Masicka say no matter how hell a raise, him solid, You see me? So when you hear him come call up him name, big up him chest and a self-praise. Cause he must say enough him embrace, You see me? So him solid in the thing. Yeah man.
Just remember when you're great, them try to fling in a dirt.
Right now, I'm give Masicka 10 out of 10 for that song, because it's a conscious one. I would love to hear them kind of song. You don't know how the environment might get a little volatile some of the time. So, them song, I will need more of them thing for motivate and uplift the youth, them, guide them on the right path, and show them, say, I'm not just gonna alone do it or badness, as me that now gonna wear right now. Yeah, so Who want to see more of them songs from Masicka and all of the hot artists them, you see me? Yeah man, we love that one. If you don't like that one, people, where Masicka put out, if you don't think is a good choice, a song, and you don't want to hear more of them from Masicka, and just thumbs up the video, comment, and share, and subscribe to the thing. You see me, I say people? Yeah man, just facts, I'm out.